When I was a kid, madalas akong nagbabasa ng horoscope, especially kapag meron akong bagong crush, no? So there is this one time, meron akong na-meet na babae na gustong-gusto ko, crush na crush ko. And the thing is, ang sabi sa akin sa horoscope, we are compatible. Pero merong isang warning, merong isang red flag that I should be aware of. And I didn't really like it because based on my observation, hindi siya ganong klaseng tao. So I kept complaining and complaining, no, hanggat sa nakulitan na ang aking dalawang kuya. So sabi nung isang kuya ko sa akin, and this is something really simple and profound, no? Ang sabi niya sa akin, alam mo problema mo, pinapakinggan mo lang yung mga bagay na gusto mong pakinggan at hindi mo pinakikinggan yung bagay na dapat mong pakinggan. And that is so true. See, I'll tell you the reason why we don't get along as Christians. We are all part of the body of Christ, but we don't get along. And the reason is because we keep committing the same mistake that put us all in this mess. And that is pride. No? That is pride. Ayaw nating pakinggan ang isa't isa. Okay? We close the conversation bago pa natin naumpisahan. Hindi, kasi miyembro siya ng ganong grupo eh. So, hindi ko na siya kagad pakikinggan. The reality is this. Hindi porket kaparte siya or he's part of this group of, denomination or church, it doesn't automatically mean that the person stands by everything his church teaches them. Yun ang katotohanan. No? The thing is, ang problema sa atin, hindi tayo umaabot doon sa point na nag-uusap tayo. Doon pa lang sa label pa lang, doon sa bucket na nilalagay natin. Kasi kasama ka dito. Tapos na kagad ang usapan no? We discriminate based on yung background ng tao. We prioritize kasi ito tradisyon ko no? So I'm going to prioritize itong sinabi sa akin ng sarili kong church, itong church na ina-attendan ko without validating scriptures. We blindly believe the things that we are told without checking, without examining kung totoo ba tong mga sinasabi sa atin. Because the reality is, we just like to be told what to believe. No? Yun ang gusto natin mangyari. Why? It's because since I belong, ang reasoning natin is, since I belong to this group, hindi ako nagkakamali. We don't want to accept the fact na, hey, baka naman hindi rin tama ang lahat ng itinuro sa'yo. And my philosophy is simple. As long as it makes sense, I will consider. And it doesn't matter kung kanino ito galing. Pwedeng yung katabi ko lang sa church. It doesn't necessarily have to be the pastor preaching in front or maybe my favorite Bible teacher, no? It doesn't have to be my favorite theologian. Because frankly speaking, I don't usually, or should I say, I don't agree with everything na tinuturo ng aking pastor o di kaya ng aking favorite na theologian. It doesn't matter what they support theologically. Sabi nga natin, kahit na ang orasan na sira, nagiging tama pa rin twice a day. At ang orasan naman na maayos, sometimes nagiging inaccurate din. Sometimes nagkakamali din. Diba? So, I don't like placing people in theological buckets because ayokong ginagawa din ng tao sa akin to. Minsan nakakarinig ako, bakit ang paniniwala mo? Ito, base sa grupo na to. Bakit naman pagdating sa ganun naman? Well, the reality is, I can agree and disagree with some of the teachings on some of the beliefs of certain groups. No, I don't have to fully comply sa lahat ng sinasabi nitong mga to. No, I can agree as well as disagree with some of the things that Calvinists, Arminians, Young Earth, Old Earth, pre-trib, post-trib, it doesn't matter. Premillennial, postmillennial, amillennial, if I see na meron silang punto, I can listen to them. Pwede akong makinig sa kanila. The reality is I don't have to force myself to take in everything they say because it's not perfect. No? So, don't label people dahil sa meron ka lang narinig na sinabi nitong taong to that agrees with this certain group, whether you like it or not. No? As much as possible, I focus on what I need to hear. I study to determine kung talaga bang valid ang sinasabi. At yun ang importante. And with that, God bless.